Okay, so we're here with Professor Kent McCorkle. Kent, can you tell us a little bit about what you've done for the OMNI and coordinating and mentoring and judging and all those sort of things?
Sure. It's my primary role the last 2 or 3 OMNIs has been working with the judges, trying to recruit the judges, trying to develop like grading rubrics for the oral presentations versus the poster presentations. And once we kind of have the judges recruited, then it's just a matter of scheduling the different judges for the different presentations and rooms and such. And then once the judging is all done, they bring their scores back to me. And a group of faculty then kind of go through the scores and the recommendations, and we try to decide which presentations are worthy of special recognition and such. Excellent.
And on the mentoring side of things, how has been that aspect for you?
That's been one of the highlights, honestly, really for me personally, I think, as far as my role as an instructor. I've done the honors contracts. I've typically had about 5 of those per semester, which is the max for a contract. And then this semester, then we're doing our first ever standalone honors course in chemistry, which has also been great.
Yeah.
So typically how that works is the students, they basically do, you know, all of the regular course content. It's not meant to be a harder experience. It's just meant to be like a more involved experience, more opportunities, I guess, to interact with the material, but not necessarily harder. So it's always the same exams and same homework and things. But the typical differentiator is the honors project. So my class, I always have my students do kind of an independent research project where they get experience working with like primary sources for like scientific journals and such, instead of more like textbooks and things like that they might be used to. Then they put together some kind of a presentation, either an oral presentation or a poster presentation at the end. Then they typically will also then take their presentation to a conference like the OMNI, and they'll share it then with the group. Yeah.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Kent, and thank you for everything you do for the OMNI.
Well, yeah, great. Thank you.